When becoming a homeowner, there was much I didn't know that came with the territory. For example, did you know that draining and flushing your hot water heater will help your hot water heater last longer and work better? This leads me to where we are today. First, I want to turn off both hot water heaters at the breakers. Then, turn on the hot water at the faucets until they all drain out. Now, I'm going to turn off the cold water above both water heaters. At the bottom of the water heater, I attach a hose. This will allow me to drain the water outdoors. Use a screwdriver to open the valve and turn the water back on. We have lived in this home for almost 4 years, and this is the first time draining these units. I don't know if they were drained prior to us moving in, but that would at least explain why the water is so dark. I was curious to see how many buckets until the water clears up, because my next unit is going to be slightly more challenging. After approximately 15 minutes, the water started to clear up. Once finished with the first unit, I closed the valve, unhooked the hose, and turned the water back on. It's time to tackle the second unit. This water heater is more challenging due to its location in the home. This unit is located in a back closet. Therefore, the hose needs to be run through the home. Unfortunately, once I opened the valve, the water pressure forced the hose out of the bucket, making a total mess. After a few attempts of recreating the events from the previous water heater, I realized I needed a new strategy. Not only is this mess an issue, walking this far with buckets full of dirty water is not a good idea either. So rather than walking buckets of water outside, I decided to put the hose through the window and drain the water directly outdoors. The job is finished. Time to close the valve, take off the hose, and turn the water back on. The final step is turning both water heaters back on in the breaker unit. Hey, it's Jason Deal, and thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you thought about that video by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed that video, maybe you'll enjoy this video or this video. Feel free to subscribe to be notified of future video releases. And thanks for tuning in.